Hello everyone. In this video we will talk about what is B-roll and how to add a B-roll to your main footage in Blender video editing workspace. Okay, so I've imported a sample video. You can see it here, right? So I'll just play it and show you. So this is what it is. There's some text are there here. So let's first talk about what is B-roll. Okay, B-roll is nothing but an overlay video which will be playing on top of your main footage. Okay, it's nothing but a secondary footage which will be played on top of your main footage. Okay, it makes video looks great in the end. Okay, this is what a B-roll is. Let's add a B-roll to our existing main footage. Okay, so I have a sample clip here which I want to add it as a B-roll. So let's just import it here. Once I import it, this is a long clip actually, so I don't want entire clip to be as a B-roll. So let's just trim it. Okay, so I'll just zoom in so that we can trim it easily. Zooming in. Okay, then you can select both of the clips and then control and then click on this end. Okay, then it will highlight both of them. Then you can just drag it. Okay, just drag it till here. Okay, then I'll again zoom in so that clearly. Okay, so B-roll should be on the top. Okay, so that it should play. So let's just adjust it. I don't want initially to be playing that, so I'll just make it in the middle and then click on play. So this is all about a B-roll, which is nothing but a secondary video which will be playing on top of your main video. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.